Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do, again, this is all preparation for actually getting into the whole sewing machine mode. I'm gonna take my elastic and I'm gonna unravel it here. Now I think the recommendation is 6 inches. I am just using a CD holder because it's faster and I'm all about hurrying up. So I am just going to wrap this around here. This is 1/4 inch, which I think is the most comfortable. I have used some 1/2 inch and some 3/8. When this runs out, it is what it is. Okay, that's enough for now. So then I'm just gonna take my scissors and cut that one. And I'm gonna turn it over so I can hold it here. And there you go on that.